Hi, welcome to my AI channel. In previous videos, we have explored over 100 free AI tools. If you haven't had the chance to watch them yet, please take a look at the description where I have included the playlist. Today's video focuses on a brand new AI free image generator that comes at no cost. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Go to Playground AI by simply click on the provided link in the description. After reaching the page, locate the Get Started for Free button on the right side and click on it. Once clicked, proceed to sign in using your Gmail account. This will redirect you to a new page for creating images. Upon reaching this page, we will have the opportunity to explore diverse example categories, including animals, anime, fashion, food, landscapes, sci-fi, vehicles, and my feed. These categories serve as a valuable resource to inspire the creation of captivating and visually striking images. Once you have taken a quick look at these examples, simply click on the Create button located at the top right-hand side. After entering the page, we have the ability to create an image using either Canvas or Board. Let's explore each option separately, starting with Canvas. Before diving into image creation, allow me to explain few options available to help you produce breathtaking images. In the center, you'll notice a designated area where you can enter a prompt to initiate the image creation process. If you're unsure about a prompt, you can simply refer a description where I have included some prompts for your reference. On the left side, there's an option called Image to Image, which allows you to create an image based on an uploaded original image. Additionally, scrolling down reveals several filters from which you can choose. You have the option to exclude specific objects from the image, for example, removing a car if desired. On the upper right, you can adjust the prompt guidance, quality, number of images, and sampler to enhance your results. Once you've made all the necessary selections, click the Generate option to create your images. Please wait for a few seconds to display an image on the screen. You can create an additional image alongside the generated image by simply moving the square box. If you look at the top side, you'll find various options to enhance your image and make it visually appealing. These options allow you to remove certain parts, drag and rearrange elements, split the image, and even add or modify specific image components. By clicking on the image, you have the ability to download it, crop it, and even remove the background if desired. Now, let's delve into Canvas to Board feature, where you'll find similar options to those in the Canvas, including filters, image to image, prompt box, and exclude from the image, among others. The only distinction between the Canvas and Board lies in the model and dimensions. So, let's proceed to explore the different models available in the Board feature one by one. After configuring your desired model, dimensions, and other necessary requirements, simply click the Generate button to initiate the image generation process. Now, let's switch the model to observe the variations in the generated images. If you like my video, please considering like and subscribe to my work for more upcoming AI related videos. I will see you in next AI video. Goodbye.